Hi, I'm Charlie Walker from SIG UK. I'm here at Machine Building North, and today I'd really like to take a minute to show you our new SIG300 device, launching on April the 24th. We can't wait. Hopefully when you see this, you'll be as excited as I am. So let's get to it. The SIG300 is our newest, latest and greatest IO-Link Master. It's got 8 ports, 2 of which are port class B straight out of the box. We've got 16 amps power available through the L-coded connector, A-coded connection for all your IO-Link devices. We've got IoT connectivity via MQTT, OPC UA, REST API. We've also got field bus support for Profinet, Ethernet IP and EtherCAT. So all the stuff that you'd expect from a SIG quality product. We've also got a logic editor built into this device, which means you can offload some of the PLC tasks into the SIG300 and do some simple calculations on the fly without needing to have any real knowledge of PLC programming. A real boom for the end user. With its built-in web server, the SIG300 is literally ready to go out of the box. Supply power, a USB-C cable, and you're straight up and running, connected to the web server. The ability to then communicate with your devices, configure them, set up everything that you need. 5 minutes, you're ready to start making some real difference. We've listened to the market, we've made some changes, and we've given you a device that we think is going to really help you achieve the goals and help you get the connectivity you need in this modern day engineering environment. So we've got local process, we've got IoT connectivity, all in one discrete package. It's great, hope you like it as much as we do.